Exploring the calendar view, a guide to understanding this handy phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of calendar view. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this term can be incredibly useful in both personal and professional contexts. Calendar view refers to a visual representation of a calendar, displaying days, weeks, or months at a glance. It's commonly used in digital calendars and planning apps. This view helps you easily see your scheduled events, appointments, and tasks, making it a popular choice for organizing time and activities. Why is calendar view so important? It's all about organization and clarity. In our busy lives, keeping track of various appointments and tasks can be challenging. The calendar view provides a clear and concise way to view your commitments, helping you to manage your time effectively. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a digital planner, switching to calendar view can show your whole month's appointments. 2. A project management tool might use a calendar view to track deadlines and milestones. These examples illustrate how calendar view is an essential tool for planning and organization. And that's all about calendar view. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English proficiency, especially in professional settings. I hope this video has been helpful and that you'll find using calendar view in your daily life both useful and enjoyable. See you next time.